Yes. I'm back. Baggy made the beat. I'm back again with another beat making video. You don't know how we do this thing, man. Right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do one drum pattern and one instrument straight. That's how we're keeping the beat today. Might add a B line to it, and that is it. It's a wrap. Let's do this thing. Let's go straight into it. Let's go straight into it, guys. Alright, we're gonna roll with that. Let's see what we do with this, man. Let's see where we go. As you can see, I'm messing around with different, like, I'm introducing you into actually, I'm not playing around with the instruments right now. I'm actually going into the sound effects. So I'm creating something out of sound effects, which is going to give the beat a whole new different flavor.
Yeah.
Do you get what I mean? And then, so let's see what happens here. I like that. You can play with that. you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna spice this up. Little tips and tricks of the trade. We're gonna spice this up. Normally I'll do this behind the camera, but you know what? We're all here to do this together, man. So we're gonna make this thing work, man. You get me? You hear that? Now that's sounding different. You know I like to get off key when I make beats. I'm not your average producer. Do you get what I mean? I'm not your average producer. Like I like to get technical. I like messing around, like just being off key, different. You know what? I'm gonna add the B line, and the beat is absolutely complete. You're gonna hear the finished product on the other side of this, and you can also download this on my website, guys. So don't forget that. Got a lot of stuff coming out very soon, and we've got a couple instrumental albums dropping. So please, like, keep yourself informed. Subscribe down the bottom, and you'll get a notification straight to your inbox when I deliver something new. It's all good, guys. Anyway, let's get back to this. Let's put this B line on. You know I like to get technical, different. I'm not your average producer, guys. Let's do this. I'd just like to state before I continue with this, you know I like mistakes, so I like making mistakes in my beats because I edit it and kind of keep the mistake not there in its original content, but I mess around with mistakes because that also creates a different vibe. So yeah, you gotta be different at this thing. You gotta be different, guys. Now you see that little bit there where it's gone a little bit pear shaped, and instead of editing that up, I'll create something else there, which will make the beat sound a lot different. Like no time for messing around. See, we just added something real quick in there, and you know what? The beat's done. Like, you know what? I might just do something here quickly, what I would not normally do while I'm actually doing my beat with you guys. But you know what? I'm gonna do something that's gonna just change the whole essence of the beat real quick, and then I'm gonna start mixing this thing down and let you guys hear. So like you hear how the instrument has changed. Now guys, when you're messing around with beats, like it's always good to mess around with the notes, like just change the note up, like just like mess around with it to the point where it doesn't even sound like the note again. Do you get what I mean? Like it has to be on a scale of like just like your own creation. Like don't follow the rules. Don't follow the rules. Like it doesn't make sense. Do your thing, man. You know. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. You know what? I'm gonna mess this up right now, and then I'm gonna get back to you on the other side, and then we see where this beat goes, man. Cause remember we just used the drum pattern, one instrument, and one B line, beat complete. Now I'm not gonna lie, you might hear one string in there, like just to jazz it up and take it somewhere else, certain bits, but that's the beat. That's the beat. Guys, it's a pleasure doing this for you guys. You don't know how we do this already. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, get notification, get notifications as soon as something goes live. It's all good, guys. If you've got anything you need me to research or anything you'd like me to touch on, just leave it in the comments below, and we see what we could do. Remember to visit my website www.bagline.e .co.uk. Get your latest beats, get your latest. I'm here to entertain, guys. I'm here to give you information. I'm here to do this thing. I'm here to give you good music. I'm here to make this thing work. So salute every single one of you. Have a good day. Have a good night. Have a good morning. It's all good, man. Let's do this thing. And remember to tag a producer that's up and coming or somebody that's just new to the industry. Let them see how I do my thing, which is a lot different to, your standard producer, putting in the instrument, blah, blah, do the thing. Nah, man, let's do things off key. Salute every single one of you. I'm gone again. Baggy made the beat. Done.